Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an informative video for you on how to transfer funds from one Payoneer account to another. Let's jump right into it. Open the Payoneer application on your Android or iPhone device. Once you're in the app, navigate to your balance and tap on it. You'll see multiple options available. Click on Pay. Select to Recipient's Payoneer account. Enter the email address of the recipient where you want to send the amount and click on Next. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and tap on Next. Select the purpose of payment. For example, if you're transferring funds for video editing services, choose that option. Review the details of your payment and then click on Pay. You'll receive a code on your email or phone number associated with your Payoneer account. Enter this code and click on Submit. Voila! The amount will be transferred to the recipient's Payoneer account. And the best part is, there are no hidden charges, it's completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.